Y'all already know what type of day it is. It's a great day to be different. So that's what we're gonna do today, man. We're gonna show you guys how to be different. We got a high taper. Got a high taper, man. This dude's edge up is crazy. But we're gonna get started. We're gonna lay everything down. We're gonna brush, comb, get the canvas real nice and neat, just like we do with every haircut. Then we're gonna start by debulking. That's the first step in the haircut process, besides brushing and combing. And what we're gonna do is this gives it that exact same one guard close with the grain look, but a little bit neater. It gives me a little bit more precision as well. Separating that long hair from the short hair, separating the dreads from the undercut. Allows me to dig right in between there, lay everything down, gives it a really, really nice, clean, lay down look. Then we're gonna hit it behind the ear with some hair hold. That way whenever we get there, it should melt right on off. We're gonna go with the bald line, give it a nice little curve, just for a little slight contoured taper look. Then we're gonna hit it with no guard all the way open. We're gonna go up about an inch, sticking with that slight curve look. Clean it up, keep your canvas clean, brush, go over it a couple times if you need to. Then we're gonna move on to the half guard all the way open. So don't overthink it. Half guard plus without the guard is all the way open. That's a half. Throw the half guard on there. Simple math. Half plus half equals 1. So that's what I turned this clipper into a 1. So we're going straight into the detail process with that half guard. Feathering, as you can see, represented down there at the bottom right. Using just your corners, feathering this out, hitting nothing but the dark spots. We're attacking the dark spots, cleaning this up, and we're detailing. Straight into the detail work. Yes, sir. And we're gonna snap that half guard off. Attack that ball line, as you can see right there. And again, nothing but detail work from here. Using nothing but your corners. We're notching out that line from closed to middle to open. The higher you go up, the more you want to open your lever. Using nothing but your corners, we're attacking the dark spots, and we're feathering this out. As you can see, the fade is already pretty much in there. It's basically already in there. For me, sometimes I could be perfectionist. And yeah, we're gonna make this look as pretty as we can. So we're attacking nothing but the dark spots, using nothing but your corners, and we're gonna bring this together. Hit, brush, hit, brush, hit, brush, man. Very, very, very important. Yes, sir. The hardest part of this haircut is the edge up. We don't want to overcomplicate none of this. Simple. Yes, sir. We're done with the fade, and we're gonna go ahead and start lining the back of the ear up, just because it makes it look pretty. I can see the fade come together, and once it looks good with the lineup, I know I can move on. Also, a little flex for the video, so you guys can get a good idea of what that's gonna look like. Now we're gonna attack the edge up. We're gonna brush it down, lay it down. We're going to separate the dreads from the undercut, from the tapered edge up. And just like the side, we're gonna knock down the bulk on the front with the claw method. Clean it up, gives me some precision. And as you can see, what I gotta deal with when it comes to this edge up, we're gonna hit it with some spritz, some holder, go back behind it with the blow dryer to get it to freeze. We're using the cold setting. We're not using the hot setting. Cold setting allows you to continue to make sure it's dry without the client feeling any type of way or discomfort. But we're gonna let that edge up sit. Here goes the back taper. It's the exact same steps. I'm gonna let you guys have it. We'll be back whenever it's time for the edge up. Alright guys, I missed the missed the natural edge up. I thought I was recording, but I didn't. Unfortunately, it happens. Play his F up too. But we're gonna start off with the enhancements. I feel like this is the most important part anyways, given what the client came in looking like. This was the most important part. I feel like most of you guys already know how to put in a natural edge up. So we're gonna hit them with the wet enhancements first, and then we're gonna go back behind with the dry fiber. The dry fiber is gonna allow me to get rid of that real nice and shiny look. It's gonna dull it out a little bit and make it look a little bit more natural, in my opinion. So as you can see, hit them with the hairspray to give the fiber something to stick to. And then we're gonna aim and apply. We're gonna hit them with the hot sauce. This allows me to push that pencil over, give it that razor blade look without having to use a razor, especially on kids. And then we're gonna clean whatever we couldn't get with the Q-tip. Same thing on the other side, hit them with the hot sauce, push that pencil over, give it that razor blade look. Get rid of any overspray of the fibers or the wet enhancements, and then we're gonna clean it up with a Q-tip. Yes, sir. As you can see right there, the dry fibers made it look a little bit better, a little bit more natural. Got rid of that real shiny look. Yes, sir. You guys remember what he came in looking like though? Yeah, you guys remember. My boy was looking crazy, but yes, sir, he came to be different. So what we do, we made him look different. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clean. Super clean. I'm gonna take them clips off, give you guys a look at what it looked like underneath it. Sheesh. My boy got hella hair, but there you go. Much better look what it looks like. Appreciate you guys for staying tuned. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Whatever you guys got to do to keep me on your timeline, man. We out of here. Peace.